Hey guys, what's up? It's me Trav, and today I am going to be unboxing this guy right here. It's the Hypersphere Mini Vibrating Massage Ball. It's supposed to help you relieve soreness in your body. You can massage your arm, your leg, your calves, your feet, etc., etc. It's also made by Hypervolt. So basically, it's a hyper mini vibrating massage ball that helps to relieve tension and improve circulation in your body. So it's the mini version, and behind here it's nothing really. On the other side, it lets you know you can keep it at work, in your car, at home, and you can take it on the go and travel with it. Underneath, basically, it just shows you, like, you know, the mini, what you got. So we're gonna just get this baby unboxed just to see what comes inside the box. The box is small, believe me, what's inside is going to be amazing. So let's just pull this up. It's a little bit tough, so we're gonna have to shake it, and hopefully it actually comes down. It's not coming down fast enough. Okay, so we got the box open. So we're gonna just set this baby on the side. There's nothing under there. So what's in the box is basically, this seems like it's a booklet of instructions. So we're gonna actually get this unboxed. Over here is instructions on how to work your mini Hypersphere massage ball. So basically, we're gonna just go breeze through the booklet, and it shows you basically instructions on how to, you know, work your ball and stuff like that. So if you want to take a look at that on your own time to know how to work the ball, then you can look at that. So we're gonna just put this on the side right here, and then basically this is more instructions on, you know, the safety measures. So if you want to take the time and read this thing right here, it comes in different languages. You can take your time and read that. So that's one of the other instructions that actually come in the box. So another thing that comes in the box is another box, and we're gonna open this and we're gonna see what's inside there. Okay, so we're gonna just toss that on the floor. So basically, it's the charging cord. It seems like it's a micro USB. So we're gonna just put that on the side right there. Now to get to what's inside, we got the Hypersphere ball that comes in. It looks all small. You see the lights on the top. It's actually 6 lights, and then on the top you have the power button. In the box, you also have a stand that you could place down like that, and then place this on top, and it should be able to hold the ball in place like that. Okay, so to turn this baby on, you have to go in the middle, and you see a power button right there. You hold for a couple of seconds, and then it will power on. Here it will indicate that it's going to be powered on with the blue lights. Right here is a red light, so that indicates if your battery is low and the device is about to die. Right here, green lights are, it indicates how much power you have in the device. So if all 5 of these lights are green, or maybe all 6 of these lights are green, then that's how much power you got. So each time the light goes out, that means your power is draining. Now, to turn it on and activate the vibration, you just click once, and it will turn blue. One of the green lights will turn blue. So it will start vibrating on the first level. Press it again, it will vibrate and show up with another blue light. And then press it again, it shows up with a third light, a third blue light, which indicates you on the highest speed. Now to turn the vibration off, just click that power button again, and it will turn off the 3 blue lights, or 1 blue light, or the 2 blue lights, and it will indicate that it's off because all these lights right here are green. So to turn this device off, all you have to do is hold down the power button again, and basically it will turn off. And then that indicates that the device is off. Now you're probably wondering, how do I charge this device? Where's the power plug at? Where does the power plug go? So right here it indicates a flap right there. So basically you just flap that up and then you plug in the micro USB cord into that part, and then you plug the opposite into a power brick, which will charge this device. So this is also good for just in case you have sore muscles in your leg, in your feet, in your arm, and your back. It's also good for massages too. The vibration is not too loud. It looks like this. It fits in the palm of my hand. So basically it is a ball, but you know, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So with all said, you know, please like, comment, and also subscribe, and tune in for more for me, myself, Trav. So guys, I just set up my PayPal for donations. So if you guys want to keep on continuing to see me make these kind of videos like this, then, you know, a small donation is also helpful. You know, you don't have to, but, you know, it's also helpful if you guys do.